Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a bowl of macaroni and cheese. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our cartoon mac and cheese, let's begin by drawing the bowl. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve up a little bit and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then up in a great big smiley face and kind of connect. At the bottom, let's go down. We'll kind of curve this across and then bring it up for the bottom of the bowl. Now, up here, let's go ahead and let's make like a wavy line like this. And then we'll make another wavy line right around here. Now, for the mac and cheese noodles, let's make some little kind of like bumpy U-shapes like this. We're going to kind of fill these all around, so I'm going to make some lines there. We'll make a little line here. We'll make a little curve here and one. We'll kind of curve down. And we're just going to make some of these little kind of curve shapes all over. Make one come up here. And we're just going to kind of curl all these little noodle shapes right around here. And we'll make one up here, kind of like that little U shape. Then I'm just going to make some small little curves on the ends of some of these, just to make it look like we're looking at the ends of some of these little macaroni noodles. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to curl it around and come down for a spoon. Then we'll make another little line right here. Next, let's put a little face on the bowl. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another circle for an eye. Then I'm going to make a little circle in here for a pupil and kind of color most of it in. And I'll do the same thing here, kind of make a little circle and color most of it in. Next, I'm going to make a small smile. Then I'm going to curl it around here for a mouth. We'll make a little curve for a tongue. And then we'll make some little bumps for some teeth in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of some macaroni and cheese. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.